Hello, today I will be telling you how you can restrict a person if you are giving your mobile phone another person and he wanted to call at urgent. So you need to give him mobile, but you think that he might not access your photos or anything. So to restrain him to the phone location only, you have to follow these steps. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to go to the settings, then you need to find accessibility. Okay, then you need to enable assistive touch. Secondly, you need to roll back and you need to turn guided access on. Okay, so we are now here to start. I will go to the phone and you need to enable this and you need to press home button 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, so you need to start this and you need to set any passcode, in which I will set 098765. 098765. Okay, now it is set, and if you see, if I press one time home button, it is saying that it is enabled, so it is not letting me to go to any other location. So thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel if you like the video.